After you come up with a brand new product idea, one of the first things you might want to do is to figure out the market size. This will give you an idea on how many people are actually looking for your product or how big is the demand. There are different ways how to go about this. One is to use Google Trends. You can enter a keyword related to your product and see how the search volume has been changing over time. This will give you an idea of whether the interest for your product has been increasing or decreasing. You can also compare different keywords. Another method to assess the market size is to utilize a keyword research tool, such as SEMrush, Moz, or a similar one. They provide you with an actual figures for monthly searches on Google. So you will be able to know how many exactly people search for a specific word on Google every month. That can be used to estimate the potential market size. Also, you can use Amazon reviews to get a rough estimate of how your competitors are doing. A rule of thumb is that each 10 to 20 sales result in one review. So a product with 100 reviews was likely sold 1,000 to 2,000 times. These at least give you the magnitude of the sales. All of these methods can help you to get a better understanding of the potential market and provide you with a quick estimate of the potential demand. But remember, those are quick and rough estimates. The actual proper market research will still be needed down the road.